here's a message to Kobayaki. Your food sucks. Okay, this is vegetable stew, and I paid disguised as teriyaki chicken. It was expensive, and it tastes like not good. Bye, thank you. You may be wondering why I've gathered you all here today. Jawlands Foss. It's 9:02. You're supposed to leave 2 minutes ago.
Mine says 9:04. No,
9:04.
9:05.
9:06. Look.
Hi.
Look at the dog.
Oh my gosh, hi. Oh my gosh. Oh, hi.
Hello. Hey, buddy. Oh, it's a good boy. It's a good girl.
So this dog usually lives over
So
here,
happy. Look at her.
but she exploits tourists to pet her.
My God.
Hey, you want to take a selfie? Wait, you're running away. Oh,
Come here.
wait. Don't, come back. Somehow, I think you just forget that you're freezing cold in Iceland because you're just walking around and you see this. And all of a sudden you're like, I'm not cold anymore. It's hot. There's the water heater. Icelandic natives tolerate a much higher temperature than Americans do. Something else that's crazy about Iceland is that when you're walking and you're by yourself, like you can't hear anything. In fact, you can actually hear the water in these glaciers, in the mountain running off the glacier melt. You can actually hear it running through like the cracks and like trickling down. It is the craziest thing. Okay, I can see that being Christmassy, but I also could never see someone drinking this and liking it. I mean, it's not bad. travel day. Okay, so I literally have corralled these sheep with my drone. I herded them with the drone. So now they're all just sitting there. Sheep, 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 sheep. Oh. Oh. I sorry. Hey sheep. Hey sheep, please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Okay. Okay, I get it. You're the boss. Inota Hanskar. Doritos.
Oh, it's cute. It was like a beach whale. Come here, it's okay. Let me play. Come on. Come here, cow. Here, cow.
Happy birthday! What's the weirdest part about Iceland? Like the most different from America?
People are nice.
People are nice in Iceland. You know what? People are nice in Iceland. You know what are even nicer in Iceland are the horses. Except the ones in the West Fjord are mean and don't like to be pet. Also cows. Here at Sorting Hat Mountain, it told me I was a Gryffindor. There are like 100 seals right here. Probably more than that.
There's so many.
So many seals, and they go. What kind of noises do they make? So we're heading to maybe the most Instagrammed coffee shop in the world.
You sure it's open? Oh, yeah.
Really hoping it's open. Google Maps said it was open from 10 a.m. until 8 p.m. But
On Sunday?
it looks kind of dark. Sad face because the coffee shop was closed. But it's okay. Not all of us are taking it so well.
She's itchy. Come here.
vlog. We're in downtown Reykjavik today, hunting for souvenirs. Trisha found a Christmas shop.